My fellow brothers of Delta Psi, Brother Schroeder, class of 1978, St. Anthony Hall. I personally laid this brick walkway 44 years ago this week, the week Elvis Presley died. And with the help of Brother Taylor, who brought in all the materials, I actually dug up the old nasty walkway that was here and laid this one with mortar and bricks and a Monticello enslaved workers brick in the middle that is still here today. The walkway looks great. The only problem is a lot of the mortar has washed out in between the bricks. And so I am here today to appeal to you to help us raise a little money to get some University of Virginia facilities certified compound in between these bricks. So while this has lasted 44 years as a base, this is not a long-term solution. And we need to put a little bit in there to help it last another 44 years at least. So please, if you would, help me raise a little money so we can hire a professional this time to come out here and repair it a little bit, give it a new look, and then as we come to our reunions for the next few decades, it'll still be here. Yitba.